YouTubers, road trip. So this is our first proper outing in Millie to a proper campsite. We're going to one of the CMRCs, whatever the initials is, campsite down near Wellingborough Garden City. We're loaded it up, so I'm just going to do a quick video. All right, so we got hanging things, they should be okay. Sink's empty. Tea towels are there to kind of muffle the noise of the grill. We've only got about any better ideas to stop the grill from making noise. The cooker seems to be the noisiest thing here when we're moving. All the windows have been tied back, so I've got a view all the way around. All the bedding is stored in the bathroom area, which seems to be the more logical place because all this big space here doesn't really get used. Yeah, so we've got hanging things in there now. I know I've not done a video in there for a while. Only thing to do now is disconnect the power and load up. Food. So as you can see, the coffee holder adjusts, can hold either a bottle of Lucasade and a Costa coffee cup. Got a bit of kit. Reception straight down. That makes it look bigger than it actually is.
Does it? Oh, handbrake.
You're not recording that, are you?
Yep. I think if you don't do a video of you being a tit, then I'll be very sad.
That's useful because the water is on the left hand side, so.
Sorry?
This is the facilities back there. Oh no, there's facilities there. That's storage.
Why is it so busy?
I know, but that's where we're going to park up there. That's 47, I think it is.
Okay.
So there's the facilities. Not too far.
No.
Let's fill it up full of water.
Oh, what now?
Yeah.
So you put your van in first, so you're not walking around the campsite with a live cable. That's why I got YouTube. Interesting. See? There's a big magnet. Put it on the cable. Also, one on a wheel. A wheel. Stuffy video on how an expert does it. Why'd you do this in the rain? Yeah, that would not be fun. No. On the gates for Travel Lodge. What number is that? 32? 31.
Screens on, lights on, fridge on. So, very first trip out in Millie in a proper motorhome caravan club site. So, proper tryout of all the equipment. So, we're going to have a quick look around the site and then go for a wander. See if we can find a pub, really. I'm not sure, we didn't really do no research on it whatsoever. So I don't know what's around here. I don't know what's near. I don't even know the nearest shop. No, nothing. Just literally went, yeah, let's go, book it. Saw it on the internet, booked it, packed it, bogged off. And came to site. So, bit of a spur of the moment. Wanted to test the fan out. Now she's repaired. So, what could go wrong? So, things you learn. When you've got your van all ready for winter, so you've opened all your taps up, so you've drained the system, you then fill the tank up, but you haven't turned on your water pump yet, so you get yourself all set up. In the bathroom, you've got all your bedding, because that's where you put all your bedding, because that's the safest place, because let's face it, we all put our bedding in the toilet at home, don't we? But it was only space I had to put all the quilts and blankets and stuff like that. Then you turn your water pump on, because you make a cup of tea, and then you think, there's running water coming from somewhere, and all your bedding's pissed wet through. So, lesson learned there. It's not that, it's damp, it got wet, it was spraying all over the place. So we've got that drying out next to the radiator. So I make the mistake so you don't have to, you see. Yeah, winging it, as somebody pointed out. It's a giraffe outside the old people's home for some reason. I think the old people come and ride it in the evenings. Somebody should tell them that somebody stole in the front of his car. I wonder if he knows. Okay, so about 0.6 of a mile from the caravan site, motorhome site, is it Hollybush? Hollybush pub. Morning. It's our first night away officially in our motorhome, and we're in Commons Wood near Welling Garden City. Beautiful site, highly recommended. And things we learned on our first night away. I need a waste pipe tube thing that so I can empty the wastewater. This site doesn't have a drive over, and I don't think many sites do, so that's a must. So and I don't have one. Hose pipe is way longer than I need it to be. Yeah, I think most places you can get quite close to it, so I might actually cut that down a bit. I think 50 minutes is way too long, but yeah, who knows. The other one is actually quite warm. You don't need 18 pairs of clothing. Jess packed two pairs of pajamas and didn't need either, so it was quite toasty. And we didn't have the heating on during the night, so and I think it got down to about 1 degree, so the blinds on the window does seem to keep a lot of the heat in, so that's very good. Other than that, making up and down the bed is getting a lot easier. We're getting into a routine now, so look forward to the next adventure. So thanks for joining us, and click and subscribe if you enjoy the stuff we're doing, and see you in the next video. Catch you later. Just looking at my next motorhome. Not sure it's going to fit on the drive though, so might not bother. It's huge.